how to check your credit score in TD Bank mobile app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to check your credit score in TD Bank mobile app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up TD Bank website on your PC or laptop. Here, what you need to do is click on search icon located in the top bar. Now, search for credit score. From here, click on Importance of Credit and Understanding Credit Score article. Scroll down to check your credit report section. Next, click on Get Started under the option of Credit Score Center. Then you'll be redirected to online banking portal. Accordingly, click on Download app for Apple device or for Android device tab. Now you'll be able to check score in mobile app. So that's how you can check your credit score in TD Bank mobile app. That's all for this video.